Hey everybody, Josh, startedringerbusiness.com. I got a unique situation to show you guys today, so I want to show you guys how to handle it and make this look good. So what we have here is two shorter gutters. We're putting downspout on the shortest one, and it's two different pitches of fascia. So we need two different wedge sizes to make sure that corner comes together really well. So I want to show you guys what to look for and how to handle this situation. So hopefully we can help you out a little bit today. So my favorite way to wedge these away from the fascia, make that back of the gutter plumb, is T-wedges. What I'll do is throw my level on the T-wedge and just on the bottom of the fascia usually, and you can kind of just move that around until your level is level, shows level. So I got one cut here. This is just one bar. These have different notches in them that you can use for a measurement. So one bar is where we got this, and so we got this first one ready to go. All right, so this fascia is a different angle. So I'll do the same thing on this one. Kind of look at, see where we got here. Looks like second line on these wedges. Here, I'll show you how I cut these. I just use my tin snips right on that line. So we call that a two bar wedge. Okay, so then before I put it on my gutter, I'll just double check it while I'm cutting this. It's pretty good. This fascia is a little warped, so it's kind of hard to tell everywhere, but yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, so the whole idea of this is you want this bottom of the gutter flat coming in together, flat on both sides. That way that corner fits nice and snug, just like it would on a flat fascia. So what we're looking for here, this is just like a normal corner, it's just this bottom part's floating because it's on angled fascia. So I would just line those back two corners up, and the front is flexible, so I don't worry about that when I'm tacking it off. And then with those wedges on there, you just want to make sure the bottom of your gutter is nice and level, horizontal. So they're both pretty good. I can move them around a little bit, get them lined up good, and it's ready to put a corner on. And now that those are coming in at the same angle and everything, they'll turn out really good. So there you have it, a weird fascia gutter install. Hope this helped some of you guys out. If you guys want to see any more of this weird stuff, you know, I could do maybe a video on like compound miters with gutters, or you know, any of that. Need your guys' help for brainstorming that. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll have a bunch of links in the description for you guys to find the tools that we use. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.